What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and today in this video I'm actually going to give you my top 18 YouTube video ideas because I've actually spoken to a number of you guys recently, and a number of you guys have actually told me that you wanted to start a YouTube channel, which I think is fabulous, but you're struggling with, what type of channel should I create, what type of niche should I go into. And so I've been going out and I've been doing a little bit of research, and I've been on YouTube for a little bit now, so I've actually seen a lot of different channels that blow up and do very well in terms of views and popularity and social interaction. So today in this video I want to give you my top 18 video ideas that you can actually start so that you can have a prosperous YouTube channel and make tons of money from it. So we're starting right now. All right guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com, and again in this video today I'm going to be giving you the top 18 YouTube video ideas. So if any of these ideas resonate with you, run with it, because they're great ideas, they're great niches, they're great channels to have on the platform, and they tend to do very well on this platform because it's a mass market and a lot of people are searching for these type of topics and videos. So my top 18 are not in any particular order. I've just listed them out, and hope you guys enjoy these top 18. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. It's gadget review videos. So if you're into gadgets, these channels tend to do very well. So if you're either like reviewing phones or cameras or laptops or printers, anything to do with like little gadgets and tech stuff, those channels do very well on YouTube. Cooking videos, everybody likes to cook, or some people like to cook, a lot of people like to eat, but a lot of people, they don't even really go to the old school recipe books anymore. They just go on YouTube and type in, Italian recipes or soul food recipes or French recipes, and they just go on YouTube and they watch other people cook in their kitchen, and these videos get tons of views, tons of interaction. Those channels do very, very well. Number 3 is reviewing popular books. I've seen a lot of these videos do very, very well. So you can actually review books, books that are nationally known, or you can review books that may be popular in your niche. But there's always going to be people that are looking for book reviews because they want to hear about what everybody else says before they purchase it. So these videos tend to do very well. Number 4 is unboxing videos. I'm sure you guys have seen, 1 or 2 of these videos in your day watching YouTube. So there's a lot of kids channels that do the unboxing of the toy videos, and there's adults that, they buy stuff online and then they unbox on camera. And a lot of people are just looking for different products and just trying to get your opinion on the product. How easy is it to put stuff together, or did you like it, or what does it really look like? And these channels do very well. So basically you would just put like the product name and unboxing into YouTube search, and these channels and videos tend to do very well. Number 5 is how-to videos. So everybody goes to YouTube now to just learn how to do whatever. It seems like people don't even really go to Google as much when they're doing how-to. Because video is easier to actually see visually when you're trying to learn something. I know recently I wanted to put some paintings up in my house, and I ran to YouTube and I just typed in how to hang a painting, and it's like getting all the anchors and this and that. Like, it was pretty intense, but I watched a couple videos and I was able to get it done. So how-to videos are excellent ways to get a lot of views on your channel. Number 6 is screencast videos. Basically any kind of like online tutorials. These are all great videos that get a lot of traction. Number 7 is prank videos. I know you guys have probably seen a ton of these online. They get millions of views, millions of views. So you have like parents pranking their kids, kids pranking their parents. You have guys, picking up girls, people doing crazy stunts. these videos typically will go viral. And the people that do these, these stunts and these pranks, they're fearless, and they usually do very, very well in terms of views, and they're probably making tons of money in AdSense revenue. And then, kind of piggybacking off of prank videos are the prank fail videos. So these are the prank videos that went wrong, basically, where they were trying to prank somebody, but something happened and it went way left or went way right. And, it's recorded, and they put those videos up, and those videos do just as well as the prank videos, or if not even better. Number 9 is traveling the world videos. I mean, there's a ton of channels out there of people just like traveling the world and going, to this country and that country, and they're kind of just documenting everything that they do, where they eat, what the activities they do. I believe there's a channel out there of a group of people that are just literally traveling the world by boat or cruise ship or something like that. One of my friends was telling me about it, but people really get into, I guess, the traveling thing, because it's just a way to see the world through somebody else's eyes, and you can log on every day and just kind of see somebody else blogging, and these videos tend to do very well. So number 10 is share your views on trending topics. So basically, you could just have like a trending topics channel. And if you're very opinionated, there's all sorts of topics that are trending every single day in the media or in just the world. So a lot of trending topics have to do with, like actors, actresses, musicians, politics. So if you have a viewpoint on any of those trending topics, you can actually just go to Google and go to Google Trends, and it gives you like the top 10 trending topics of the day, or what's literally trending like at this moment, like real-time trending. And you could just create a video every single day about what's trending and pull those keywords, and you'll get a ton of traffic that way. Number 11 is mimic celebrity videos. So if you are, funny, you're a comedian, and you can actually impersonate different celebrities, that's a great way to start getting some traffic. People love celebrities. Just merely having the celebrity's name in the title is going to attract a lot of attention and a lot of views. And then if you're funny and you can mimic them, that could actually go very viral and could be very well for your channel and views. Number 12 is parody videos. So I've seen a lot of these where, like a singer or a rapper or just a musician will, they'll create songs, and then other people will like take the instrumental version of that song, and then they will sing like their version to the song. Sometimes they'll put their own lyrics together, or they'll sing the exact lyrics to the actual song, but they just kind of put their own twist to it, and those videos do very well as well. Number 13, interviews with popular people in your niche. So whatever your niche may be, whether you're in health and fitness, or you're in personal development, or you're in the make money online niche, if you had a channel that just did interviews with popular people in your niche, those channels are going to do very well. Those videos are going to do very well. So anytime you have the opportunity to, interview anybody famous or somebody, popular in your niche, definitely do that, because it can get you a lot of views, a lot of attraction, a lot of sales for your business. Number 14, videos with kids and babies. Now these channels make, they do very well, and they make a lot of money. So if you don't mind having your kids on camera and doing silly videos with them, those channels do very well. Kids tend to actually watch other kids on YouTube for hours upon hours and hours. I don't really understand why, but I guess maybe they're looking at the toys that they're playing with so they could tell their parents what toy they want, or just trying to figure out how the game goes. I don't know, but these videos and channels absolutely go viral. They do very well. So if you have a kid that wants to be a star, or you like to put your baby on camera, you could go for it and you'll probably do extremely well on YouTube. Number 15 is fitness related videos. You know, everybody's trying to, learn how to lose weight or get a six-pack ab, or just get healthy. So these channels tend to do very well. I was actually looking at a lady that had a yoga channel the other day, and she probably had close to 2 million subscribers on her channel and just millions and millions of views for all the different yoga topics. It was like yoga for kids, yoga for teenagers, yoga for this, yoga for that. And the lady is just, sitting in her house. It looks like just in like her family room doing yoga. And she's loving it, I'm sure, and she's helping people, and she's probably making a grip of money with her ad revenue and whatever else she has going on with her channel. Number 16 is home remedy videos. So a lot of people go to YouTube to try to find out how to cure a headache, how to get rid of a pimple really quick, how to cure a sore throat, athlete's foot, this, that, the third. There's all sorts of remedies out there. I've done this myself. I've gone on YouTube to try to get a quick remedy for things. And you will find a lot of YouTube videos out there that, somebody will give them their opinion on how you can get rid of this or get rid of that, or different home remedies that you can try to solve your problem. So those videos do extremely well too. Number 17, we're almost done, right? It's beauty and makeup videos. So, these videos just do well. I mean, enough said. Women love these videos. They follow, other women. And if you're good with beauty tips and doing makeup and hair, you're gonna do very well on YouTube. And the last is number 18, and that's just making controversial videos. Again, it kind of feeds off a little bit with the Google trends or just trends that are going on currently in the world. But if you make controversial videos that kind of go against the grain a little bit, maybe in politics or any type of controversial topic, blow up your channel really and get a lot of views. And you may have haters and you may have people that agree with you, but it's controversial. So controversial just brings attention and attracts a lot of people, which was going to attract a lot of views. So we made it, guys. That was my top 18 YouTube video ideas. I hope you guys are still here with me and made it to number 18. So if you are trying to start a YouTube channel and you weren't sure of, what type of niche or channel topic that you wanted to do, hopefully this video helped you out some. Maybe it helped jar some ideas in your head to get you started with your YouTube channel. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. And if you want to know how I actually make money online, I do have a recommended affiliate marketing system in the link below. You can check it. It'll be the first link in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.